Imagine a world where global power is no longer determined solely by military might, natural resources, or traditional industry. Instead, dominance is measured by who controls the most advanced artificial intelligence. The race is no longer about armies or oil. It is about algorithms, data, and technological innovation. In the next decade, nations that harness AI effectively could redefine what it means to be a global superpower. Some countries are already positioning themselves at the forefront, investing billions in AI research, talent, and infrastructure. Others risk falling behind, unable to compete in a world where intelligence drives power. Artificial intelligence is transforming the global balance of power. Economies, militaries, healthcare, finance, and education are all being reshaped by AI technologies. Nations that embrace these changes are not just innovating. They are creating a strategic advantage that will determine global influence in the 21st century. Unlike previous industrial revolutions, AI amplifies human capability. A country that can integrate AI across its economy can multiply productivity, improve decision-making, and dominate critical sectors. It is estimated that AI could contribute trillions of dollars to the global economy by 2035, and nations that control AI infrastructure, research, and intellectual property will hold unprecedented leverage. This script explores the countries most likely to become superpowers because of AI. We will examine their strategies, investments, and technological advantages, as well as what this shift means for global geopolitics. The United States. The United States has long been a global leader in technology, and AI is no exception. With Silicon Valley at its core, the country has access to top talent, venture capital, and some of the world's most advanced AI research institutions. Companies like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are developing AI models that are setting global standards. The US government is also heavily invested in AI. Defense agencies are integrating AI into national security, predictive intelligence, and autonomous systems. AI-driven innovation in healthcare, finance, and logistics further strengthens the country's economic position. The United States benefits from a culture that encourages entrepreneurship and risk-taking, allowing startups to develop disruptive AI technologies quickly. With access to vast amounts of data and a robust computing infrastructure, the U.S. is positioned to maintain its technological supremacy. AI is not just a tool for economic growth. It is a strategic asset that will reinforce U.S. influence on the global stage. China. China is perhaps the most aggressive competitor in the AI superpower race. The country has a clear national strategy to become the world leader in AI by 2030. China combines government funding, private investment, and access to massive amounts of data to drive AI development at scale. Chinese tech giants such as Baidu, Alibaba, and Tencent are at the forefront of AI research and facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and natural language processing. Government policies encourage rapid adoption of AI in healthcare, transportation, and urban planning. China's population provides a unique advantage, creating datasets that fuel machine learning models unmatched anywhere else. In addition, China integrates AI into its defense strategy, using advanced algorithms for surveillance, cyber warfare, and predictive intelligence. By combining technological innovation with state-driven coordination, China is positioned to challenge the United States and potentially reshape global power structures. European Union. The European Union is not a single country, but a powerful collective with significant AI potential. EU nations focus on ethical AI, robust data privacy frameworks, and fostering innovation across multiple sectors. Countries like Germany, France, and Sweden are leading in AI research, autonomous systems, and industrial applications. The EU benefits from strong educational systems, research funding, and collaborations between public and private sectors. While its approach is more regulated and cautious compared to the United States and China, the EU's focus on ethical AI and sustainability positions it as a global standard setter. Nations within the EU are leveraging AI to modernize manufacturing, healthcare, and green technologies, which could create economic resilience and technological leadership. India. India is emerging as a significant player in the AI landscape. With a large, highly educated workforce, India has become a global hub for software development and AI services. The country is investing heavily in AI research, startups, and digital infrastructure. India's strength lies in its talent pool and cost efficiency. Companies around the world outsource AI development, data annotation, and machine learning projects to Indian firms. The government has also launched initiatives to integrate AI in agriculture, healthcare, and governance. While India faces challenges in infrastructure and regulation, its demographic advantage and growing AI ecosystem position it to become a technology-driven superpower. By 2030, India could leverage AI to boost economic growth, innovation, and global influence. Israel. Israel may be small in size, but its impact on AI innovation is outsized. Known as the startup nation, Israel combines military-grade technological expertise with a strong culture of entrepreneurship. AI developments in cybersecurity, defense, autonomous systems, and medical technology are particularly advanced. Israel benefits from a unique ecosystem where military R&D transitions to civilian applications. This allows the country to develop cutting-edge AI solutions that are both innovative and commercially viable. Israeli AI companies are attracting global investments and forming partnerships with major corporations, increasing the country's influence in the global AI economy. Canada. Canada has quietly positioned itself as a leader in AI research. Cities like Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver have become hubs for AI innovation, attracting top talent and international investment. Canadian universities are home to some of the pioneers in deep learning and machine learning research. Government support and favorable immigration policies have created an environment that nurtures AI startups and research initiatives. Canada's focus on responsible AI, ethics, and inclusion also sets a global example. By combining research excellence with supportive policy, Canada is building a competitive edge in AI-driven industries. Japan. Japan has historically led in robotics and automation, and AI is a natural extension of its expertise. The country is investing in AI to address demographic challenges, such as an aging population and labor shortages. AI is integrated into manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and robotics. Japanese companies are known for precision engineering and long-term innovation, which positions the country as a leader in high-quality AI solutions. Japan's approach combines automation with AI intelligence, creating a superpower in industries where efficiency, innovation, and reliability are critical. South Korea. South Korea is leveraging AI to become a global leader in technology and innovation. The country invests heavily in AI research, semiconductor technology, and smart infrastructure. Companies such as Samsung and LG are developing AI solutions for consumer electronics, healthcare, and autonomous vehicles. South Korea's government actively promotes AI education, research funding, and industrial integration. By aligning technological advancement with economic strategy, South Korea positions itself as a regional and global AI leader. The combination of corporate innovation, government support, and public adoption makes the country a formidable contender in the AI superpower race. United Arab Emirates. The United Arab Emirates has made AI a cornerstone of its national strategy for economic diversification. Dubai and Abu Dhabi are investing in smart cities, autonomous transport, AI-driven healthcare, and government services. The UAE's strength lies in its ability to adopt technology rapidly and create large-scale visible AI projects. By positioning itself as a hub for AI innovation in the Middle East, the UAE attracts international companies, research initiatives, and investment. Its strategic focus on AI could transform the country into a regional superpower with global influence in technology and innovation. The countries that will become superpowers because of AI are not determined solely by wealth, geography, or military might. They are determined by vision, strategy, and the ability to harness intelligence on a global scale. The United States, China, European Union nations, India, Israel, Canada, Japan, South Korea, UAE, and Russia are all positioning themselves to dominate in AI, each with unique advantages and strategies. Artificial intelligence is no longer a tool of convenience. It is a driver of national power, economic influence, and global leadership. The next decade will see AI redefine what it means to be a superpower, and the countries that embrace this technology will lead the world. Those who recognize this shift will understand that the future is not only about innovation, but about strategic foresight. Nations that master AI will control the engines of wealth, influence, and security. The race for AI supremacy is underway, and the winners will define the global order for generations.